Very good morning, dear students. Today I am taking lecture for grade 11th and I have already taken test, but some of the doubts were not cleared, so I need to clear your doubts regarding the chapter. The test was taken of chapter White Horse and the address. So I am starting with the discussion. My first question was, what idea theme does the summer of a beautiful white horse entails? Means what this chapter tells. They were honest, they were having honor, they were trustworthy. So the option is all the above. D. Next question is, Quiet Man Quiet. Whose dialogue it was? Obvious, it was the dialogue of Uncle Khosrow. So option is C. Third, why did the boys return the white horse to his honor? Means what was the need, why they were thinking to return it? Because they were conscience stricken. Means from inside their soul, their heart was not permitting them to steal, as their tribe was famous for honesty. Armenian tribe. Fourth, why did the horse owner refuse to believe that the boy had stolen his horse? But natural, I have already told you, the option, because their family was known for honesty. Fifth, I have a way with farmers. Who says this to whom? It was said by Murad to Aram while riding the horse. As Murad was in habit, he was overconfident. He was in habit to say these lines. I have a way with dogs, I have a way with horse, I have a way with farmers. Next, for how long did Murad have the horse before Aram got to know? From 1 month, he was doing the practice. John Biro learned to speak Armenian out of, because he was not from Armenian tribe. He was alone, that's what, because of his loneliness, he was able to learn. 8. What was the behavior of the horse initially, as the horse was not aware of, he was not the pet animal of Murad and Aram, that's what it wanted to run wild. 9. When Aram rode the horse alone, it ran down towards the vineyard. Means they were living on the edge of the city. From that vineyards were starting. That's what the horse ran towards. 8. 10. What did Uncle Khosrow do to stop anyone from talking? Uncle Khosrow was in habit of shouting on others. He was not in habit of listening. So the option is C, by shouting at them. 11. Murad was considered the natural descendant of his uncle. He was like this, overconfident. 12. How does Aram describe the horse? Option is C, both A and B. The horse was magnificent, lovely, beautiful. As you can see, the name was also the beautiful white horse. Next question, 13. Who is the protagonist of the address? A protagonist is itself the author, Mrs. S. daughter. 14. Why did the objects lose their value for the author? Just because she saw in different surroundings. Earlier, it was kept in a proper way at her home, but after the war, as it was the belongings were given to Mrs. Darling, and she kept the things in an ugly manner. That's all. 15. What was the silver that was the author once asked to clean by her mother? It was cutlery. One time when she saw Mrs. Darling at their home or taking away the things, at that time she was not well and she came to home and the mother asked her help for cleaning the cutlery. 16. The author remembered that the woolen tablecloth had a burn mark which was not mended by the Mrs. Darling. Next, how does the author describe the living room? It was, option is D, both A and B. It was giving muggy smell, it was having strange atmosphere, it was sophisticated. So the option is D, both A and B. What was the protagonist's reaction when she entered the living room? She was horrified. Means she was not able to admit, she was not able to adjust with that surrounding. 19. Who opened the door upon the author's second visit? First visit, the door was opened by Mrs. Darling. The second visit, the door was opened by Mrs. Darling's daughter. Next question, question number 20. Why did the author wait for such a long time before visiting the address? Option is C, both A and B. Because she was not interested, first of all. Secondly, because she was not afraid to confront her mother's belongings. 21. Was the mother convinced with her mother's idea of letting Mrs. Darling take away their things? The option is B, that is partially. Yes, the daughter was not at all convinced as Mrs. Darling was taking the antique things. 22. How did Mrs. Darling treat the author when the author visited her? She was cold and inhospitable. Means she was not showing the hospitality. She was not happy, as she was thinking that all have died. That's what, nobody will come to take the belongings back. 23. Her face gave absolutely no sign of recognition. Who is her? Her means Mrs. Darling. As Mrs. Darling was on the door when Mrs. S. daughter came to meet her. In what attire did the author find Mrs. Darling? Mrs. Darling was wearing the author's mother's green knitted cardigan which she wanted to hide. 25th. I thought that no one had come back. Why does Mrs. Darling say this? Because she thought that everyone in the protagonist family were dead. That's what she was feeling very good, that she'll not return anything to anyone. Here I am ending up my video. We'll meet you in the next. Thank you. Have a nice day.